Good afternoon, boys and girls. Okay, let us take the new topic in our physics. Okay, that is good and bad conductors of heat. So, conduction of heat depends upon the property of the substance and also the free electrons, the number of free electrons in it. Okay, so usually the metals are good conductor of heat, and the materials like asbestos, asbestos for covering roof, it is used. Cork, paper, wood, fiberglass, they are usually bad conductors. So now good conductors are those which conduct heat rapidly from one part to the other part of the substance, and bad conductors do not conduct or the pass the heat from one part to other. Okay, now we'll take, here is an experiment. Okay, here is an experiment to show conduction of two materials, that is brass and wood. Okay, we have taken a rod which is made of brass at this end and wood this end. Okay, and wrapped with a paper. Now a flame is, we have shown a flame here. Okay, kept a flame and over it the rod. So now we can observe after some time the paper over the wood becomes black, or that means, and the brass remains the same. So because now it shows the conduction, the heat applied over the paper is passed through or absorbed by the brass material, but the wood, being a bad conductor, does not absorb heat so quickly, so the paper starts burning, becomes black first, then it may catch flame also. Okay, now this is to prove the conduction here of brass and wood. Now the conductivity is different for different materials, and to prove that is here is an experiment. We have taken rods of different metals here, okay, and coated with uniform wax, same kind of wax, uniformly coated. Now we pour hot water over here in this tank. So when hot water is poured, the wax starts melting, and the amount of wax depends upon the conduction. The better the conductor, the more the wax will melt, and the poorer the conductor, the less will the wax will melt. So we can know which is we can rate from here, or the thermal conductivity, we can know which is a better and which is the least. So we can rate them. That is called thermal conductivity of different materials. So we can come to know, okay, up to which length, by looking at the length, the wax has melted. Okay, now uses of good and bad conductors. We have uses of both. Okay, good conductors are used in our utensils or cooking vessels. Okay. Now they are made of steel or copper uh, because they are good conductors. Even some vessels have bottom of copper because copper conducts heat very fast. It's a very good conductor of heat. Uh, Now, here, water radiator, it is not used in India, where in other countries, cold countries, where the temperature is very low. So they use it for a radiator. So hot water poured in the radiator, which is made up of this copper. So it radiates to the air, the heat very quickly, and the room becoming by convection, convection of the air, it gets heated up. Okay, so it uses air also. In boilers are used in industry to absorb the heat. So it is made up of steel. So it absorbs the heat from the source of heat. Okay. Now bad conductors are also here used in our vessels, cooking vessels, handles. A bad conductor is used so that we can hold it without heating. Okay, and gloves are made up of bad conductors. Table mats. Okay. Because your table may not be damaged, and also some casseroles you have seen in your daily life for keeping our cooked food. We use casseroles and all, and other materials to keep our cooked food hot longer. Ovens have double wall. Okay, and inside the wall there is glass wool, which is a bad conductor. Also in the refrigerators, which are puffed, some material fitted there so that it may not absorb heat from the atmosphere. Okay, and we use blankets, quilts in the winter so that we do not lose much heat in the atmosphere, and we keep our temperature, we maintain our temperature. Okay, so these are the uses of good conductors and bad conductors. Now there are three ways of heat transfer, three methods: conduction, convection, and radiation. So in the next class I'll explain it. Okay, you go through these pages and read them nicely.